Hi, third graders. Mrs. Oliver here. I'm going to go over some comprehension with your story this week. We are on Unit 2, Week 4, and the story is called Kids to the Rescue. You'll find it on pages 134 through 139 in your interactive text. We call that your floppy book. Our summary of the story this week is that we're introduced to two kids named Olivia and Carter, and they realize that there is a need to help protect, save, and care for animals that have been affected by pollution, such as oil spills. And one of the animals that they really focus on are turtles. So we go through their journey of finding out what the needs are and collecting supplies and successfully helping the turtles in their community. This text is expository, meaning that we have text features such as photographs and captions, maps, and sidebars that give us extra information. This text is factual, meaning that it's giving us real information and facts. The comprehension strategy is rereading, which is helpful in any text. This one in particular, you can go back to find text evidence to answer your question. So if I ask myself, do you understand why an oil spill is harmful to animals? I can look back into my text on page 151, and the text says that oil makes it hard for sharks and dolphins to swim. Sea turtles were coated with oil, and they struggled to move. So to answer that question, the oil made it difficult for the animals to swim and move in their natural habitat. Our comprehension skill is author's point of view, and you can kind of, throughout the text, the beginning, middle, and end, start to see how the author feels about what they're writing. We're using some details such as Olivia and Carter recognize that the turtles need help. Olivia and Carter collect supplies to help the turtles. And then also, the author says their plans were a huge success. By using the word success, I can kind of guess that the author thinks what Olivia and Carter are doing is a positive thing. And since he spends a lot of time showing the steps that they go through to help the turtles, we can wrap those ideas together to come up with the point of view. So I would say that the author believes Olivia and Carter are doing a wonderful thing by helping the affected animals. So he not only thinks what they're doing is good, he thinks that they're successful, and he thinks that it is a needed thing for these animals that they have helped them during this time of need. I hope this helped you understand your story a little bit better, and I'll see you next week.